I'm at Crosby Marina. I've come for the sunset, but I just saw all these geese. They were flying in formation, and by the time I got my phone out, they'd landed. Oh well. So I'm getting ready for the sunset. I think it's got about another half hour yet. So I thought I'd just come over here. I'm going to go on the beach actually, but thought I'd let you see the swans. Well, swan. I can't see anymore. Hang on, hang on. That's not a swan. It looked like a goose from the distance. It's definitely a swan waddling like a duck. Oh. Definitely a swan. Oh, it's so close to me as well. Hello. Right. All the birds. It's gorgeous. I didn't know whether it was going to attack me, that's why I kind of moved away. I think he knows I'm not going to hurt him. Him here. So gorgeous. Oh, that's nice. I know they are. Thank you for feeding them.
You're not bothered.
Oh wow. Thanks for watching. See ya. Wow.